Hello, my name is Martin. I'm the co-founder of TrueTruth. Today I'll be unboxing the FireShield Travel Briefcase. This has the perfect size if you're traveling somewhere and you want to bring along your documents, your important documents, insurance papers, certifications and so on. It comes with a letter and an instructions guide. Please read this one. When you receive it, it will be flattened out like this. What you have to do is that you basically open it up like this. And don't worry, the fire resistant materials is a little bit stiff, so basically what you have to do is pull it out a little bit like this. Then it gets its form back, and then it will look like this. On the side it has a lock, so if you're traveling by plane, you can lock it up and put it up on the shelf or underneath your seat and don't have to worry about anyone breaking into it. When you have filled it up with documents, tablets, or whatever you might want to save and protect, then it will look like this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This was the FireShield PRO Travel Briefcase.